This is crazy. It's crazy. I'm out there just trying to videotape me digging up my sweet potatoes, and I don't know what you call those bugs. Those, they fly and they big and they make that loud noise. Is that the what do they call it? Is it katydid? No, Katie's, something like that. I don't know if that's what that is, but the bug was huge, and so I'm gonna have to chop my video up because, all right, I'm gonna have to go back out here and try to keep digging. Why them things have to? I mean, it's a very breezy day, and um, it's cool, and the sun is behind the tree. I don't know if you can see it. It's behind that tree right there. So it's perfect, and my garden is shaded right there. So, I mean, it was a big bug too. It ran me in the house. All right, let me go set up again. Okay, so this is what my main garden looks like. Pulled out all the greenery, and what was over here, I had sweet potatoes. I can't remember exactly how many I had. I felt like in my mind I'm thinking it was 9 sweet potatoes just lined up in a straight line. Pulled all the leaves off. I didn't eat any of the leaves this year, but that's okay because look what I got. So this is my sweet potato harvest, first sweet potato harvest 2019, and all of it was right here. One of the nice things I do like about what I'm seeing, just a quick inspection on the sweet potatoes compared to when I had them over there last year, is the bug that was attacking the sweet potatoes putting little holes in them. I don't see that on these. I was noticing that when I was pulling them up. So that's good. It's nice not seeing little holes on the sweet potatoes. Let's see. It's little holes, something similar to that, but it'd be several. So that's nice. Not seeing that on the sweet potatoes. A commenter last year mentioned that it could be wireworm. So maybe I don't have that over here. Maybe that's what was attacking the sweet potatoes last year. So got a few nice sized sweet potatoes. So I could see sweet potato souffle and sweet potato pie in the future. So this is what I dug up from right here. I was actually only going to do half of this row today, but as I got to pulling them out, might as well go ahead and do them all. I'm glad I did. I don't think there's any more sweet potatoes. If it is, they're probably little. I don't think there's any more in there. So it was a good harvest. I still want to look into growing sweet potatoes in a container, because just digging them out the ground is a lot of work. And the older you get, the less enthusiastic you get about having to dig stuff out of the ground, especially when it just doesn't come out real easy. So, thanks for watching. My recording of me digging up these sweet potatoes did not go as planned, thanks to Mother Nature, huge bugs, but I got it done anyway. So thanks for watching and have a great day.